Hello everyone, I am Shan. Welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering Tips. Today we are going to discuss about starter or kicker. Starter or kicker is a small portion of a column which provides base for the rest part of the column. Starter or kicker is casted before the casting of the rest part of the column. Before constructing the main column on footing or slab, we provide a column of small height. We are naming it as starter or kicker. Depth of starter or kicker is approximately 75 mm. It is a concrete pad used at the bottom of the concrete column. Starter or kicker is either constructed monolithically with slab or separately after completion of slab construction. Now let's talk about why do we provide starter or kicker. Starter or kicker helps to keep the column formwork or shuttering in position before casting, to maintain the position and alignment of the column, to maintain the adequate concrete cover in all sides of column, to maintain correct coordinates of column between floors. It holds column shuttering in place strongly with proper alignment. These advantages of providing starter or kicker. Starter or kicker increases the joints in column, so sometimes it is neglected and we approach some other technique for aligning the column, but error possibilities increase. It is a part of a column, so it's necessary to maintain the quality of concrete.